Welcome to the Himalayas, 10-hour hike, 70 kilometers away from Mount Everest and saved by a Tibetan monk. It's not going to be easy, but come along, we'll get there in the end.
That's where I stayed last night. We're about 3,500 meters now. Almost to 4,000 and then another 7-hour hike. So, but the view from here should be worth the trouble. It's a Himalayan cat. 4,000 meters up. Can't see a bloody thing. Decent view over this way. Going to come down here. I'm just thinking that's the hardest part of the day gone. I think I've just done 600 meters elevation in about half an hour, and we're going down now, and they're just going to follow the ridge line along the mountains by the looks of the map. So the whole eastern Himalayan range. Yeah, I think this is Lamjura and Junbesi is that way, thank God. See if anyone's about. Hello. Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. Oh, hello, mate.
Namaste.
You have any food, mate?
Yes.
Thank you. Cheers. "400 meters elevation. Oh, gonna be a long day. I've had a chow mein, cup of tea, so I'm ready. Sitting in your own shit. Get a grip, Cal. So my chef said that these things are over 200 years old. It looks ancient to me. It's now 1:30 in the afternoon and I'm well and truly lost. I was supposed to end up, I believe, on that ridge line. But I took a wrong turn and I've ended up in this valley. I'm still heading in the right direction, but I have no idea where I'm going. I'm officially lost in the Himalayas. Still early days, and I'm on a path. A little bit of infrastructure here, and there's certainly worse places to be lost. Have a look at that. Hopefully made it. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
My first Tibetan bread.
Okay, enjoy.
Thanks, mate. I found an oasis in the desert. Lovely little spot. And this is Tibetan bread. So I'll give it a taste. It's quite dry. It's like a cracker. Bit salty. It's very nice though. Got some honey. Local Nepali honey. Delicious. Some local jam. Look at this for a slice of paradise.
Yeah.
It's a very nice place you have here, mate.
Thank you.
Very nice. Did you build the bridges?
Why?
Who built the bridge?
Yeah.
You?
No.
Government.
Multi-city.
Ah, okay. No, very nice.
Yeah, welcome.
And this is all your land?
Yeah.
Ah,
Good.
very good. And you've got chicken, he's got some chickens here.
Yeah, I have chicken.
Chickens around here. And some yaks in the forest.
Yeah. Then night fish come here.
And they come down in the evening.
Evening.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, man. See you.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Yeah, it's cool. Little slice of paradise. Ah, feeling much better after that. 2 hours to go. Bye bye. Thank you. I've arrived in Junbesi. Finally. Been raining for the last hour, as you can see. It's taken its toll on me, this hike. I've underestimated it a bit, but it makes you realise Nepal is an unforgiving beast. You can't blame them for the lack of infrastructure here. It's so difficult to do anything. Seeing that truck in the mud, people just trying to transport limited goods with donkeys, it's insane. I mean, just look at this. So yeah, time for a little nap, some grub, and chill out. Pikey Peak. I don't know who won. I think I've been defeated, but I made it at least. Thank God. Okay, as you can see, I've been caught in the rain again. My saviour has arrived.
Hello,
What was your name again?
my name is Ngawang Doji.
Nawang Doji.
Yeah,
He's a monk at this monastery here. So we'll be exploring tomorrow Phukting Cholin.
yeah.
And maybe I come here as well and I see you again.
Your name is Serlo.
Solo.
Gumba.
Solo Gumba.
Yeah.
The Gumba. So we're going to see a new Gumba. But yeah, for now I've been absolutely soaked. My map's almost ruined. But yeah, thank you. You're looking
You're
after me.
welcome.
And from Bhutan.
Yeah, I'm from Bhutan.
From Bhutan. So we have another foreigner here in Nepal. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So Mr. Doji is just showing me some Tibetan. So this is Tibetan
Yeah.
alphabet.
Tibetan alphabet.
Wow.
This one. Yeah, also Tibetan.
For your study book. You study like 4 hours a day.
Tibetan science.
Ah.
This is a Tibetan history book.
History.
Yeah.
Oh wow. How old? How far does it go back?
I think this 19
So that's an ancient culture. Very old.
19th century.
A century old.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is my flute.
Oh, you can play? Can you play?
Yeah.
Go on. Play me. No, you play.
No.
He's a bit shy for the camera. And you have your incense here.
Yeah, this is a pure.
Here.
Yeah. Made in Sikkim.
Sikkim.
Yeah.
India. Nice smell. Nice. Very good. Nice.
Okay lads, thanks for sticking around. As you can see, I was severely burnt. I was defeated by the Pikey Peak trek. So this is the village I ended up in, a place called Junbesi. Stayed at a homestay called Junbesi Homestay, lovely family. I'll leave a little link in the description below. But thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.